Top 3 Best Bidet Seats. Number 3. TOTO Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat. 3-in-1 stainless steel nozzle. Smart seat, smart decision. Eco-friendly. Feel the difference. Hybrid heating technology. Pros. 2 user profiles grant a fuss-free experience for multiple users. Heat settings include heated seat, warm air dryer, and warm water stream. Lights up at night, so there's no need to turn on the main bathroom light fixtures. Cons. Expensive, and some users would have liked a sensor lid. For the same price, you can buy a freestanding bidet. Bottom line. Reigns supreme at the top of our shortlist given its unique feature of post-cleanse air deodorization. Number 2. Brondell Swash Ecoseat Non-Electric Bidet Seat. Clean and refreshing. Dual temperature. Easy installation. Warm water without electricity. Versatile style. Pros. Unlike other options, this seat blends easily with most standard toilets. Front and rear nozzles are a pleasant surprise at this price. Consumers rave about the quick installation, which takes less than 30 minutes. Eco-friendly heated water stream comes from existing hot water line. Cons. Since you can't see the dials from the seated position, you'll need to learn which way to turn them blindly. Bottom line. Despite being a simple non-electric model, it's a total bargain given its multiple temperature settings and dual nozzles. Number 1. BioBidet Bliss BB 2000 Bidet Seat. A refreshing clean for everyone. Step into a lavish standard of living. Clean innovations offer peace of mind. Embrace your uniqueness. Experience everyday excellence. Pros. Offers one of the best user experiences with its remote control. Consumers appreciate its hydro flush nozzle, which helps clean the bowl after use. Night light illuminates without being too bright or harsh. Hybrid heating technology offers a consistent warm stream, so no more cold water shock. Cons. Instructions could be more user-friendly, and some users say the heating features are too warm even on the lowest settings. Bottom line. While expensive, it offers upgraded versions of several premium features, like Power Save Mode. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.